Sit down in any comfortable position, whether in hands on the knees, upside down or downside up, or your hands in front or interlocked, however you feel the most comfortable, most easy. Make sure your back, neck and spine is upright and straight. You can sit against the wall or in Sukhasana. Once you are comfortable, become aware of your body for a moment. Then direct your awareness onto your breath, the ingoing and outgoing process of breathing. Watch your breath. Become an observer of your breath. A natural breath comes in and goes out. You are simply becoming aware. If any time you find yourself thinking, wondering, or distracted, simply redirect your awareness back onto your breath. Now, bring your mind in front of your closed eyes, the third eye chakra, inner space, and look through within. Look inside to outside. Look to the side, as if you are in the room in front of your closed eyes. To the left, to the back, the ceiling, become aware of your body. Once you are fully back into your body, into the now, rub your palm together and bring your hands onto your eyes, onto your face. Gently give thanks in prayer pose. And very slowly and gently open your eyes. Namaste. So this is our guided meditation for beginner. Let me know how it goes, how it was to practice, whether difficult or easy. Keep me updated how it's going. Practicing meditation will not only bring peace and calm onto your mind and body, but will also help you get out of the stress, or even help you able to deal with the stressful time, whether it's at office or at work or with children, anywhere. So you can do your work, your relationship, or any other field of your life easily, peacefully, and with calm. So stay calm and stay connected, and I will see you in the next video. Namaskar.